Alright, I'm on a roll today. This is my third video of the day. As you can see, it's getting darker. But anyway, I'm pounding away. I'm getting these videos out to hopefully help you kids learn math. So today we're going to talk about, we're on chapter 11, we're going to talk about problems that have to do with combining and problems about separating. And we're going to use some algebra to determine the answer to this. Algebra and math, they really don't have a lot of relevance unless you apply them to real life. So, yes, if you know how to solve an algebra problem, you can get a good grade on a test. But what is that problem? How does that problem help you with real life? Or is someone going to walk up, you're walking down the street, and some random person says, hey, what's 3x plus 4 equals 7? Find x. And you're like, alright, here's a little story problem. We're going to use math and deductive reasoning to solve this, because algebra is deductive reasoning. Okay, Jenny rode her bike on a trip. After the first day, the odometer showed 86 miles. After the next day, the odometer showed a total of 163 miles. How far did she ride on the second day of the trip? So we have some miles on the first day. Then the next day, she rides some more miles for a total of 163 miles. So we have some miles plus more miles, and that's going to equal our total number of miles. So some miles is going to be, is it 86 next day or 163? Some miles is 86. Okay? We don't know how many more miles she rode, so we're going to leave that as M. Then we're going to, right below that, we're going to write the total was 163 miles in 2 days. Some people take their bike riding very seriously. I just ride for fun. Every now and then I'll probably be riding to work because I'm going to move hopefully close down the road here. But 163 miles in 2 days, that is beyond. I am not that kind of athlete. That's pretty elite. Anyway, Jenny is kicking my butt in the bike race. We know that much. But how much or how many more miles did you ride on the second day? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract 86 from both sides. So if we take 86 away from here and 86 from 163, so that's going to cancel out the 86, and all we're going to have left is M equals. So what's 163 subtract 86? 13. Okay, we got 15 minus 8 is going to be 7. So she rode 77 miles the second day. If you want to check this, you can just take 77 plus 86 and see if that works. 77 plus 86, add those together, 7 plus 6 is 13, carry your 1, and 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So that's 163. So that checks out. Since this is 163, we know she drove 77 more miles on the second day. Alrighty, let's go ahead and talk about these problems. Problems about separating. There were 47 people who went to play at the park. Some people went away. I think they went on a hike. Let's just make this up. So there are only 24 people remaining to play. How many people left to leave only 24 people who remain to play? Alright, so let's write a little equation. There, at the beginning, we'll put B for beginning, we had 47 people. Okay? Then, some people left or went away. So what's the symbol for leave? I would say, is it addition or subtraction? I would say subtraction. Alright. So some people left and they went away. So let's say A stands for away. And then there are 24 people remaining. So let's call that R for the number of people who remained. So we know that B is 47. Subtract A. We don't know how many people went away, but we do know that there were 24 people left, or who were remaining. Alright, So 47 minus a equals r. What is r? I forgot to substitute my variable. 24. Alright, so how you solve this one, if you have the subtrahend and you have the answer, the difference, you just subtract those two. So in order to solve this one, what you do is you just simply take 47 minus 24. So you can do that over to the side. 47 minus 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we know that a equals 23. There are 23 people who went away. And that is how you do a problem about separating, and then you also know how to do problems with combining. And it's getting pretty dark, and I think I'm hungry, so I'm going to go eat dinner. Maybe you can do the same thing. Enjoy your night. See you tomorrow, or if this is a Friday, I will see you on Monday.